Here are the babies this week. They're 2 weeks old now, and they've grown a whole lot. They're all sleeping. This is a green collar. They have collars on now. Oopsies, come here, little one. There, I'll make them move around a little bit. And then pin collar, which is right beside, right here. She was silver, but she's got a pin collar on now. And then red. Oh, she's hiding her little face too. There we go. Hey, little girl. Hey, little girl. There you go. Hi, little girl. Hope you're awake too. Hello. Oh, that worked. There we go. Hello, babies. Hello, little babies. Look at you guys. That sure worked to wake you guys up, huh? They look like little aliens. Cute ones, anyways. Hello, baby. Oh, there you are. Hello, hello. That's red girl. And pink girl. And green girl over here. Hello, baby. Oh, you guys are way too smart for your own good. Way too smart for your own good. Oh, they're all coming over here now. Look at them go. Hey, you guys. Hey, you guys. Hey there, you guys. Well, that's all for this week. Next week, you're going to see a big difference again. They can hear now. That's why they're all alert. Their ears are open. Their eyes are open. Yes, sirree. Hello, baby. Hello, little baby girl. Hello, little baby girl. How you having fun there? Hey? Yes, sirree. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, little growls. Okay. Till the next time.